snore at night? I definitely do. And trust me, it's been a problem for both me and my partner. I know it's bad because my partner couldn't get a good night's sleep without noise. So my partner gave me this dental guard, and honestly, it's been a game changer. It's super easy, no custom fitting needed, just heat it up and it molds to your teeth perfectly. It's made from medical grade transparent material, super softy, and you won't even feel it while you sleep. Wake up next morning, not only will partner sleep better, but you'll feel way more refreshed too. Thousands of users have already chosen this dental guard to protect their teeth and improve their sleep quality. Stop letting snoring and grating ruin your sleep. Grab it now and enjoy peaceful nights with your partner.